Hey guys, we'll be back again to this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much guys for all of you guys who happen to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now this is OSP Pro in combination with OSP IT Digital Solutions presents what known as I'm going to be showing today how to work with Python with MySQL. Now, right now, as I can show you, I'm in MySQLdb, but I'm going to just try to open up what known as MySQL, if possible, Workbench or MySQL Shell. Now, if I try to open up from MySQL Shell, I think I just need to show you something later. Underneath just here, this is MySQL Shell. So I may just try to clear the screen and attempt to show something later. Now before maybe beginning up anything, I need to first tell what we are going to be covering up in this channel. Now if you look at Python as a big programming language, Python does many things. We use Python for machine learning, we use Python for data science or data analysis, we use Python for website development, we use Python networking, we use also Python in what known as automations, and also what known as making systems. Like I have a simple application that I have with me today that I will show you at the end of today's session. I'll be showing you how this system works and how to register. Now before doing that, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, and if at all you're from Uganda and you'd like to find a place where you can do in a short course program in Python programming, no matter which level Python you want to come in for, I am there around. I'm around. I can give you a hand. Then for you guys who might be interested for actually in one on us internship training, please OSP IT Digital Solution provides you the best place for internship as long as you're from Uganda. And also if you know different parts of the world, as long as you can access the platform, we are going to be welcoming you. And if at all you would like to study with us online, I will simply say shortly at the meantime, we happen not yet to implement our online application stuff. But then again, if at all you are interested, you can also apply. Then we can send you the study material where you will be using to study. Now my friends, I don't want to waste any of your minutes at the moment. I want to take you straight to the point where you're going to learn how to program MySQL with the Python. Now if I take you first over straight to MySQL, to what known as my CMD or my command prompt, there's something that you have to know by default. I don't have internet connected in my PC, but I just want you to know this, that if at all you are to program with the Python, there's something you have to know. The first thing to install in your machine is one known as the Python connector. That is going to bring the bridge between your XAMPP or whatever web server or XAMPP you're going to be using with the Python library, with the Python, which is going to be sitting on Python to embed for you a given application. Now today's kind of stuff, I'm basically talking about Python with the MySQL. Then in a video to come, which I will show later on, how to use the Python with SQLite, because with the MySQL you have to install a XAMPP in your machine, but with the SQLite you don't need to install on any kind of a server, so we just need to run it. That implies you just put it inside our files. Now my friend, without wasting time, make sure you do the following. Now if you only have one version of Python installed on your machine, just type pip in your command prompt, as long as Python is already set. If you have not yet known how to set Python to command prompt, please just do the following. You go to your command, to your PC, go to one known as C drive, and then you go to actually what known as you can go to Python. If you're using Python 2.7, go to Python and then go to script, and then if you go to script, just copy this path, copy that one there, and then you go to your PC, whereby you will right click and then you go to properties, whereby underneath properties go to advanced system settings, then you go to environment variables, which is going to pop up here down, and then here just go to path, select path, then you click edit if at all you're using Windows 10. But if you're using Windows 7, you need to click new. So here I will say edit, and then I will give the Python by clicking on new, and then I paste on my Python if at all I want to give in there. Now I'm just not going to save because I already have Python set in my command prompt. I don't need to do any of those. Now actually here, without wasting any time, after doing that, just type pip install for me one known as MySQL. Make sure it's capital letter MySQLdb. Now this one is going to install for you one known as Python MySQL into your machine. Please my friend, if you happen to do any installation there and it fails, please let me know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on the video so that I can give you the details on how if at all you happen to get lost, and I give you the way forward. And like I've said, if you know you're from Uganda and you want Python with MySQL, Python with Django, Python with the Flask, Python with the MongoDB, please make sure you come in and then you learn. Now, without wasting time, if at all you really happen to install that, do that. Then, or if not, so you can, if at all you have two versions of Python, like for me, I have Anaconda installed in my machine with the Python 3.6, and I'm also running Python 2.7, and all of them are happening to be they're already set in the environment variable. That implies definitely Python 3.6 or Python 3, which is Python 3 and above, tends to dominate, take over the command prompt. That implies to, if I want to use Python 2.7, I have to come in and specify the version of Python I want to use. So I will simply say Python 2 Python 2 install for me one known as what I want. Like now at the moment, I need to install for me one known as MySQLdb, like that. So that definitely installs for me MySQL into machine. Now my friend, that implies at the moment you didn't have MySQLdb installed in your machine. How do you test for that? To test that MySQLdb is ready installed in your machine, just do the following. If at all you want to test that MySQLdb is installed in your machine, exit, good. So just underneath here, there's something I want to let you know. To test that actually this Python is ready installed in your machine, you just go into your command prompt or into your your shell or whatever given edit you're using, and then just type import for me, import one known as MySQL, import MySQLdb. So you hit enter and there's no error. That implies you already have MySQL installed in your machine. Now if you're using Python 2.7, to some extent you go to one known as python.org, and then you just get Python and MySQL connector. It will definitely give you the Python MySQL connector, where I think it looks like something like import one known as MySQL connector. It's something like that. It's like MySQL connector. Which is that? Definitely that's it. Yeah, this is MySQL connector. That implies that MySQL connector can also work like MySQLdb, because it's just importing the same library, and all the features remain the same since all of them have the MySQL. Now, addition to that, what I also have to frame to you at this point of time, make sure you have MySQL running in your machine. Now, I already have one known as my XAMPP is running, just like I've showed you earlier enough. We already have our XAMPP running in your machine. That's why I happen to get access to be in position to use MySQL with XAMPP. Or make sure at least you have a server, either one server or XAMPP installed in your machine. Now my friends, after doing all those, that implies now at the moment you will have MySQL installed in your machine. So guys, be ready to watch the next video whereby I'm going to show you how to connect now Python with MySQL. And the next video, I'll show you how to my complete system that I happen to make with the Python and MySQL. So guys, if you find this video much interesting, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful to you, make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get to learn how to program the MySQL. So I think at the moment I've really bridged the gap. What you need to start up programming with MySQL. My friends, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I wish you to see you next time. Thank you guys.